Right, Theo, quickly explain to us what we're about to do.
Well, we're going to let off a French banger, which is going to go bang.
French banger, buried in sand, Dawlish beach, little blue action figure found on the beach. Here we go, so Theo's going to light it when I give him the word. Joe and Danny are taking cover up in the sand dunes. Give us a wave! A lighter, right Theo, be careful. Safety specs on, Theo?
Yeah.
Good, right. Get back. Hang on Theo, wait! Okay, light it. You need to kneel down, Theo. Here we go! Whoa! See if we can find it. He may wash up on the beach. Ha. Where's the Power Ranger gone? Hang on. That is all that's left of it. That was so cool. Do you think he may... I think I saw him fly into the sea.
Let's have a closer look. Can I have a closer look?
No, he's still recording. Where's he gone? It did, didn't it? If he went in, he'll wash up again though, so...
It stayed by the sea.
Oh, he's... There he is!
Oh my god, look at that.
No, hang on, let's get it on the camera. No way!
Oh.
Hang on, hold it, there we go. Mind your behaves, Joe, run! There we go. Power Ranger. It's no more. That's legendary, we're going to keep that.
That's mine, I'm keeping it. No, I'm keeping it.
Right, here we go. Okay, stand together, boys.
Oh yes.
That is Power Ranger Explosion Basics on Dawlish Beach. Theo, Danny, Joe, Power Ranger. Say goodbye.